You wanna party, no chill, let's take a...
What's good, fam? I'm Needs No Sleep, and today I'm going to take you quickly through my latest Serum 2 preset pack, this one featuring sounds from my Hydrasynth. So the Hydrasynth is a hardware synthesizer I have, and what I have done is I've taken all the presets I've made over the years, these have been in my tracks like Core, Breathe, many others, and I have exported them, put them into Serum 2, and tweaked them so that you can use them in your productions. Let's go through how a couple of them sound. Some of those you can start to tell have that Needs No Sleep sound to it, and I've used a lot of these in my productions, and I hope you get value from them. Let's go through a couple more. And I've created macros that control different parameters of the preset, so this one's got the release. Keep going through some more. So you can create catchy melodies with that. Really cool, unique leads. I use these in tracks all the time. What else we got in here? With these presets as well, try playing them at different octaves. Some of them sound great in multiple octaves, others are designed for a specific one. That's a cool one. That's nice. And again, we can tweak the release and the reverb. So if you're a producer like I am, you can start to imagine all the sort of tracks you can make with it. That's cool. Another cool lead here. There we go. That's the one from Core. Can't remember the melody from it, but this is definitely the patch from it. I think it's something like this. Yeah, something similar to that. That's cool. Imagine that on like a techno or tech house track before the drop. Or use as like a synth one shot on the drops, something like the Complextro style where you have different sounds coming in, something like that. Something like that's pretty cool. That core melody again. That's pretty cool. Increase the drive on it. Something like that in the build-up could work. That's cool. So you're starting to get an idea of the sounds you can get from this preset pack. As I said, I use these in my production, so if you like my style, I know you'll love this preset pack. It's on my website now, kneesnosleep.com. There's 120 presets in this pack. I think you'll have a lot of fun playing around with it. Let me know your thoughts on it. Cheers.
So tell me what's the deal, let's go all night until there's nothing left